What's going on everybody, Didi here, and in this video we're going to be learning about a few useful string functions in Haxe.
So let's begin. Let's start with the to lowercase function. This function turns any string you entered into lowercase. To see an example, I'll create a new variable called name and I'll assign it a value of Dante with an uppercase D. Now, if I want this entire name to be in lowercase, I can do that by typing name equals name dot to lowercase followed by a set of parentheses and a semicolon. Now, if I try to print name, the program prints Dante on all lowercase letters. Now, what would you do if you wanted to make this all uppercase instead? I can do that by replacing the to lowercase function with the to uppercase function. And when I save and build the program, it prints Dante on all uppercase letters. Next up, we have the length function. We can use this to calculate the length of a certain string. Let's say instead of printing the name variable, I wanted to print its length. I can do that by typing name dot length inside of the trace function. And now if I save and build the project, it prints 5 because the word Dante has 5 letters in it, making it the length of the string. Then there's the substring function. We can use this to separate the string into a few parts or pick apart a certain part of a string. So let me explain. Let's say I wanted to separate Dante into two words, Dan and Te. To do that, I'll create a new variable called part1. And to call the substring function, all I have to do is type name dot
Sub
str followed by a set of parentheses. And inside of these parentheses, you have to mention the amount of characters you need to include on your substring. And the index for it always starts with 0. And since we're trying to separate Dan from it, which has 3 letters, D, A, and N, we can type 0, which is the start of the index, comma 3. And now if I try to delete this and print part1, the program prints Dan. So those were some of the useful string functions, but there are a lot more. And if you wanted a complete list of them, you can do so by typing the name of your string followed by a dot, which gives you a pop-up list of all the string functions that you can use. So give them all a shot if you want. See you all on the next video, and until then, adios.